Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faithfully Asia and I'm back with another hair review. So dolls, today I have a treat for you guys. I have another video from, you guys already know this is one of my favorite vendors, MyFirstWig, and it's another Yaki unit. You guys really loved, to say the least, the last Yaki unit that I reviewed. It actually went viral. Today's video is a little different. This particular unit is in a brown color. Oh, look how pretty that looks. Okay, let me quickly run down the cap construction for you guys. This one is a full lace unit. You're gonna get about 4.5 inches of parting space in the front. Of course, the deep sides are going to be a little shorter. You're gonna have the 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and an adjustable elastic band. So I'm gonna try this unit on really quickly just so you guys could see what the hairline looks like straight out the box. And this is what the hairline looks like straight out the box. As you can see, it does come pre-plucked. As I mentioned, you're gonna get, it says 4.5 inches, but this part, in my opinion, looks longer than 4.5 inches to me. So looks like you can get a pretty good amount of parting space down the middle. As of course, it has the natural Swiss lace that MyFirstWig is known to have. And the density on this unit is about 130%. However, since it is a Yaki texture, it does appear to be thicker than 130%. due to the thickness of the strands. As you guys can see, this unit does come layered in the front and it has a nice graduation into the longer lengths. However, I'm gonna go ahead and make this a side part because that's just what I do. So I'm gonna lay this hair down using my Faithfully Asia Beauty Wax Stick. And that's gonna get everything to lay down really nice and sleek and get ready for the install. And you guys can see this unit on the mannequin to see just how nicely plucked it is all throughout the hairline. And I'm just gonna go through and lightly straighten these ends just to make it a lot more easier for styling. Okay, now it's ready for me to put it on. The easiest way that I find to put on my units is to just take the front of the wig, I pull it back, the lace back slightly, and then I grab it by the back and I have the elastic band in my hand and I just put my head in and slide it down. And then with that comb in the back, I tuck it underneath that elastic band and adjust in the front. So this is what the sides of the units look like, and this is my side part. So since this is my first wig, I am going to get a little bit more of a deeper install since this may be some of you guys' first time wearing a wig. One of the questions that I get asked a lot is how to lay down the ear tabs. It's something that I think is kind of overlooked through most installs, so I'm going to show you how simple it is right now. So I'm going to take these clips and I'm going to clip this hair to the back. You want to line up the hair on how you plan on installing it. Now, when it comes to laying a unit, you can either glue it down, and when I say glue, I don't necessarily mean glue, I mean hairspray. So this is going to give you a temporary hold. It'll last you a couple of days and it easily comes off with water. It is not glue. So you can either spray the hairline with the lace uncut, or you can cut the lace and then spray the hairline. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace first, just so I could show you guys specifically on how to cut the ear tabs. So you're gonna cut it at a diagonal. Well, at least this is the way I do it. There's no real right or wrong way. It's just whatever way works for you. And you can use a razor or a scissor. It's really your personal preference. Sometimes I interchange between both. And I just like to cut as close to the hairline as possible without cutting the lace, which sometimes is hard to do while filming, because I'm actually cutting some of the hairline, but that's fine. And this is what the hairline looks like once the lace is cut. This is the lace not cut, and as you can see, this is where the lace is. And as you can see, it's a really nice transparent lace. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut the sides, and I'm going to do that with the scissors. So I cut this all the way down. And now, since I've already lined it up on my hairline on where I want it to land, as you can see, there's a slight overlap of extra lace. So I'm going to proceed and cut that off. And I'm just going to cut up and cut the lace. So now, even though I cut the lace, my ear is not fully over. So it does call for me to get a little deeper and cut inside of the hair. And don't be afraid to cut some of the lace off. It's totally fine. You will not ruin the wig. And this is what it looks like on this side, and I'm going to do the same on the other side. But from this side, I'm going to cut from the back. I'm going to go up a little, and then I'm going to come down. And this is what that looks like on this side. And I'm gonna lay this unit down using my Eben New York Wonder Lace Spray in Active. Lay this on top of the spray and then press it down with your comb. Usually the ends require an additional coat to lay that down. Before I apply the elastic band, I am going to just go over this with the iron just to sleek these edges down. And then what I like to do is apply some of this concealer powder to the hairline before I tie it down, so that when I pick it off, it'll be a lot more blended in my skin. Leave that on for 10 minutes and I'll be right back. I'm going to bump this side just slightly. I'm going to add a little bit of my concealer to the parting area. I'm going to add just a little to the front to blend this in a little bit more with my complexion. I want you to take a look at what this looks like with no baby hairs. I am, however, going to cut just some small baby hairs. I'm going to spray some of this hair polish on it. And when I said a little bit of baby hair, I meant a little bit of baby hair. I'm not really like a big fan of baby hairs. You guys already know that for me. So I never like OD too much. But if you like baby hairs, when I say have at it, have your way. It's your world, okay? So guys, this is pretty much what the end result is looking like. This unit is beautiful. The color is just everything I didn't even know I needed. So dolls, stay tuned to see my outfit of the day. Shop this look and more at shopfabulous.com. Be sure and follow us on Instagram as well, where you get discounts on the units used in review on my channel, as well as all the trendy fashion. You know, MyFirstWigs, they make the ideal unit for a beginner wig wearer. They make it so easy for you to just install the unit. It doesn't take much. As you guys already saw, it comes bleached, it comes hairline plucked and ready to install. And it comes beautiful. Let me give you guys a closer look on this color. And I'm giving you a view from the back. And as I mentioned, you are going to get lace from ear to ear. Can't beat that. So all my faithfuls, y'all already know what time it is. It's time to help me name this unit. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the Faithful fam, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.